Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today on the GR Corolla we're gonna place the stickers on the rocker panels. Let's get started. So I bought the original part that's right there. I'm gonna put a link also, and this is the TIA's instructions too. Straightforward, like any kind of a sticker. Clean, wipe, some weighting agent for the sticker, and let's see how it goes. Usually for me, I like to use surface prep, the rapid tack, roller, and of course my heat gun. Something also really important, we want to keep our temperatures between 60 to 80. We have at 70.